completed almost all the chapters in our EVS. Yes, we completed everything in that, and I told you in the previous class only. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ, ಅವನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ಶೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಕೊಡಾತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ. ಎಸ್, in the previous class we did the one chapter, that is what type of a food we eat which is good for us, we did. And now we'll do the next chapter. In that only next chapter they will select the worksheet. Okay, we selected some of the questions and I will give you that. Okay children, we'll start with that only. Before we start the worksheet, what we will do? We will do the prayer. Okay, all of you close your eyes and repeat after me. ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಸಮಪ್ರಭ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರು ಮೇ ದೇವ ಸರ್ವಕಾಲೇಶು ಸರ್ವದಾ. Okay, now we'll start with the worksheet. The clothes we wear. What type of a clothes we wear? Okay, daily in our life, in the different states, in the different country, which type of a clothes they will wear. Okay, in this chapter we studied. We have a different types of a cultures. We have different types of a styles. We have clothes we wear. Okay, depending on the culture, depending on the religion, we wear the dresses. Okay, so in that chapter we studied everything about the clothes. What type of a dress we wear, what type of a sarees we wear, what type of a uniforms we wear. About that all things we studied. Now in that I will give some of the questions. First main, tick the correct answer option. Okay, first one, cotton or a wool is made from the hair of sheep or a goat. Cotton, from where we get the cotton children? From where we get the cotton cloths? Yes, wool. From where we get the cotton cloths? Wool. Cotton or a wool is made from the hair of the sheep. ನಮ್ದು ಆಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನ ಕುರಿ ಆಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಆಡ್ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ ನಮ್ದು ಕೂದಲಗತ್ತೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ವೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನೇಯ್ತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? ವೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್? ವೂಲ್. Second one, silk or nylon is a synthetic material. Is a what? Synthetic material. What is synthetic material, children? Silk or nylon? Which one is a synthetic material? Nylon is a synthetic material. Third one, raincoats, but sweaters keep us dry. Rainy season ಒಳಗ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಎದಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ನಮ್ಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. Okay, that is called as what? Raincoat. It protects us to not get dry, not get wet. Okay, understood? Now copy this one, children. 3 questions. Take the correct answer. Copy this in your classwork. Write a heading worksheet. The clothes we wear. Okay, this is the third worksheet we are solving. Write like that only, and then after that write the first main and questions. After writing one question, leave one line. Next question. We'll move on to the next question now. rearrange the following to form meaningful ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಒಂದ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ, ಹಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ TNSYHETCI. What it becomes, children? See carefully and try to make a word. Try to make a word. What we get? Synthetic. Second question. TTCOON. Easily we can identify that is cotton. Next one. OLNYN. This also we can easily identify that nylon. Nylon. Okay, write it correctly. Copy this one in your classwork. Next one, fill in the blanks. Next main is what? Fill in the blanks. Third main. Fill in the blanks. First question. Silk is made of silk thread. Made of silk thread obtained from the dash of silkworm. From where we get the silk? ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಎದರಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಂದು ಹುಳದಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ತಕೋತಾರ. ಆ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ನಮಗ? ಕೋಕಾನ್ಸ್. Okay, the answer is cocoons. Second question. We wear dash cloths in summer. In summer season, which type of a cloths we wear, children? Cotton. Yes, we wear cotton cloths in the summer season. Third one. We wear woolen cloths. We wear woolen cloths. In which season we wear the woolen cloths, children? In the winter season we wear woolen cloths. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಥಂಡಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವೇರ್ woolen cloths. In the summer cloths ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಶೆಕೆ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ನಮಗ ಒಳಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರಕ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಅವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ಹೀಟನ್ನ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಅವನ್ನ ಹೀಟನ್ನ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತದ. ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ತದ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ, ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಇವು ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಆತ, ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಆತ, ನೀವು ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾನು ಬಿಚ್ಚ ಹೋಗ್ದೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ದ ವಾಟ್? ಹೀಟ್. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಹೀಟನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗ ಒಂದ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದ ನೀವು ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಸೀಸನ್ನಾಗ, ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, Copy this one. We'll move on to the next question now. Fourth one. Next question. Fourth one. Fourth question. Cotton, cloths keep us what? It keep us cool inside. It keep us cool inside. Fifth one. Pilots and nurses. What they wear, children? Pilots and nurses, what they wear? They have one particular dress code for them. That is called as what? Uniform. They wear uniform for identifying themselves and making them and giving them one name. Particularly, they are only a nurse. They are only a pilots. Identifying them, they what they wear? Uniform. Our pilots, our ಏನ ನರ್ಸಸ್ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು ಅವ್ರ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೋಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರ ನರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ pilots. Okay, that's why they wear what? Uniforms. Okay, understood? Copy this one. These two questions. These are the some questions from the chapter clothes we wear. Okay, these are the questions from the chapter clothes we wear. Copy this one correctly in your classwork and repeatedly read it again and again. It will help you to revise the chapter in the easy way. Okay, will you do that, children? Will you practice it again and again? We'll give some more questions from the other chapters and we'll revise it. Okay, children? We'll meet you in the next class. Please practice it and we'll meet you in the next class, children. See you.